Welcome back everyone. In this video, I want to show you how to turn on and off Assistive Touch for your iPhone or iPad running iOS 15. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you enjoy these kind of videos and turn on bell notifications. If this video helps you out, then please hit the like button and let me know in the comment section down below. So this is a great feature within your iPhone or iPad if you're having difficulty touching the screen or you require more easily accessible features. To enable it, open up your Settings app on your device. Now scroll down and tap on Accessibility, then tap on Touch. Now tap on Assistive Touch and then enable Assistive Touch by toggling it to the right side. You should see a Home button icon appear at the bottom of the screen. This is called Assistive Touch button. You can move this button anywhere you like by dragging it to your desired location. As you can see, when you tap on it, you get many different options to control your iPhone or iPad. And that is how to enable Assistive Touch on your iPhone or iPad running iOS 15. If you have any questions for me, then please do not forget to add in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.